Today we replacing a Haldex pump and Haldex oil on a Golf R. And the tools, we got a new 1 liter genuine Haldex oil. We got the new Haldex pump here, and the tools we need is 8mm Allen key, long extension and the ratchet, and there are 2 bolts, Torx or 10mm, they both go on for the 2 bolts that holds the pump. So let's start and get that done. To start the work, first of all, we need to take the oil out for the Haldex, for the differential. I have to undo this Allen key, 8mm Allen key. Okay. So now the next step is we're gonna take the Haldex pump out. Okay, so next step we need to take unclip this wiring plug. It's got a small tab. It's very hard to do it with the hand, obviously because of the dust goes in there and the tab becomes very hard and you can't really press it down to unlock it. So I'm gonna use this long thick screwdriver to unlock this clip so we can take the wiring plug out, and then obviously these 2 clips we'll just have to take it off from the way it mounts onto the differential. So just gonna put that screwdriver into the tab over there. So I'm just gonna the tab and pull the wire out. So there you go.
Yeah, I can see it.
Wiring plug off.
Yeah.
The next step is we need to take okay, so that's the wiring plug, which we just undone it. And now we need to take these 2 bolts off. So now we need to take 2 bolts off for the Haldex pump, which is one here and one on the other side. Okay, so we're just gonna undo these 2 bolts. You can use a 10mm. I will have to slowly turn and pull, turn.
We were not expecting that.
That's the pump.
Nice. Okay, so here we got the new one. Let's make sure that how the new one looks. And this is the old one. So it doesn't look that bad, but at the same time, it's what it is. You have to replace old one, new one, old one, new one. Volkswagen. That's auto.
Got a new Haldex motor here. These 2 bolts. Okay, so we've just crossed it over. Now we just have to
Okay guys, as we don't have the syringe item that we need, we put in something else. So we're gonna be using these, right?
The transmission oil pump. Okay, so we just putting a new oil into this.
I can't lie, the oil is looking a bit clean compared to the other one, no?
Yes, because it's a new oil, so and add more and into it. Okay, so that's the filling, put the oil in.
Coming. Yes. We're in the last bits of oil. Finish. Done. Guys, the work is done, but now we're here inside of the car. What are we doing now?
We'll have to re-adopt it or relearn the Haldex pump. So we just connected a diagnostic